Alright, so if we actually have a circle, okay, and we have a line which is known as a tangent that actually touches the circle only at one point here, and this is the center of circle. Okay, we say that this will be 90 degrees. Okay, where this is A, B, C, and this is O. So in this case, angle OBA is equals to angle OBC, which is actually equals to 90 degrees. Okay, and the abbreviation is tangent, perpendicular. Right. Okay, so we say that a tangent to a circle is a line which touches the circle at one point, which is here. Okay, and a tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the point of contact. Okay, in this case, OB is the radius. Alright, so at the point of contact, there will be 90 degrees form. Alright. So, let's say if you have two tangents, okay, this is one tangent, okay, this is another tangent. Okay, you got two tangents, is A, is P, and this is B. Well, this is the center of circle O. Okay, AO is the radius of the circle. OB also is the radius of the circle. Okay, so tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So AP is equals to AB. Alright. Sorry, AP is equals to PB. Alright, AP is equals to PB. So AP and PB, they are tangents to a circle. Alright, another thing to note is that if we draw a line from the center of circle to P, which is where the two tangents are drawn from, okay, then we find that with reference to the center of circle where PA and PB are tangents to a circle with center O, then angle POA is equals to angle POB, which is this point. These two angles are the same. POA equals to POB. Alright. So at the same time, okay, if the line joining the external points, which is P, to the center of the circle, okay, it also happens to bisect the angle between the tangents. Okay, so it will bisect the angle between the tangents. So therefore, this angle is also equals to this angle. Angle APO is also equals to angle BPO. Okay, so if we draw a line from the center of circle to the point, to the external point, okay, this line will bisect angle APB. Okay, and therefore APO is also equals to BPO. So APO is here, BPO is here. Alright, so these are the few things that you should remember in relation to tangent theorem.